So after 2 days of action-packed days of debate and discussion that happened in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the marathon Operation Sindoor discussion is nearing its end. The Prime Minister who addressed the Parliament, the Lok Sabha, last evening with a sharp and direct answers, but didn't, however, satisfy when it comes to the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. Now, before the Prime Minister began his nearly 90-minute address in the House, LOP Rahul Gandhi raised Trump's ceasefire claims, not once but multiple times, questioning why the Prime Minister hadn't called out the US President a liar. If India is in a position of strength, Rahul Gandhi asked, why not confront Donald Trump directly?
Donald Trump has said 5 times, 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया। अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। If he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here, if he has the courage.
Now, it wasn't just the Prime Minister. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar too addressed Donald Trump's ceasefire claims on day one of the debate, clarifying that no phone call happened between Trump and Prime Minister when Operation Sindoor was on. A day later, Prime Minister asserted that no world leader had asked India to halt Operation Sindoor.
Now, I want to make 2 things very clear, sir. One, at no stage in any conversation with the United States was there any linkage with trade and what was going on. Secondly, there was, please listen, secondly, there was no call between the Prime Minister and President Trump from the 22nd of April when President Trump called up to convey his sympathy, and the 17th of June when he called up Prime Minister in Canada to explain why he could not meet.